Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Let's create something amazing today. We'll start by creating a new composition and name it Countdown Timer. Set the resolution to 1920 by 1080 and the frame rate to 30 frames per second. Next, grab the text tool by pressing Ctrl+T, click on the composition panel, and type your starting number. For this example, we'll use 10 point. Use the Align panel to center the text for a clean and professional look. Now, let's animate the countdown. Select the text layer, Alt-Touch Option-click on the source text stopwatch, and type the following expression, math.ceil 10 minus time. This will automatically create a countdown that decreases every second. Adjust your composition duration to 10 seconds to match the countdown. To style the text, open the Character panel and choose a bold font, adjust the size, and select a color that fits your theme. For better visuals, let's add a background. Go to Layer, New, Solid, choose a dark color, and place it below the text layer. Don't forget to toggle motion blur for the text layer to make the animation smoother. Finally, preview your countdown by pressing the spacebar. If everything looks good, you're ready to export. Go to File, Export, then Add to Render Queue. Render your project, and there you have it. A polished countdown timer ready for use. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. See you in the next video.